Hello friends, this is a tutorial on how to neatly install your zipper. You get your top, your skirt or whatever you want to install the zipper on. Then you place your zipper stopper on the edge of your fabric. Then from there you mark out where you want your zipper to stop. Then you mark out your allowance. So what you are going to do is to go and stitch it down and iron it. I've done that. I've stitched it down and ironed it. So now it's time to attach my zipper on my fabric using a pin. So I'll pin down my zipper on my fabric. Remember to always place this zipper stopper on the edge of your fabric so that whenever you want to fold, it will be easy for you and it will lay flat. So when you are done pinning it, then you close it. See what it will look like. So let's go ahead and stitch it down. So to do this, you need your zipper foot. Okay, don't use the normal foot that you use in sewing. Use a zipper foot. It will make it easier for you to sew very close to the zipper teeth, and it's very affordable. I got mine for like 500 or 600 naira, so it's really affordable. And they have different types for different sewing machines, so the type you get depends on the type of sewing machine you are using. For this blackhead sewing machine, I got mine for 500 naira. And the secret is to make sure that your needle is very close to your zipper teeth. Then before pushing your footer close and in, then take down your presser foot. When you do this, I promise you, you will sew very close to your zipper teeth and it will come out looking neat. And I'd suggest that you take your time. Okay, you can see as I'm taking my time when stitching this down. I'm not rushing. Okay, there is no point rushing to fix your zipper. Then when you are done, it will be looking rough. So take your time. When you are done, it will be worth it because you love the finished look. Okay, and you see as I'm putting my hand very close to the needle, please when doing this, be very careful so that you not go and stitch your finger. It's very possible to stitch your finger, so be very careful. So I'm done with this side. I'll go ahead and sew the other side. See how neat it is. See how close it is. Very neat. So to sew the other side, you close your zipper, then mark where you stopped. Okay, mark where you stopped on the other side. Then from there, that is where you begin sewing this one. And like I said before, put your needle very close to the zipper foot and use your presser foot to hold it down. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please do that for more tutorials like this. Okay, so when you get to the finish, you open your zipper so that the head will not be disturbing you. Then you continue. So we are done, and this is what it looks like closed. Can you see how neat it looks? So the next thing you want to do is to fold in the remaining part of your zipper, and you stitch it. You use your cloth to cover it and tack it down from the back, but I don't like doing it like that. I like to sew it from the inside like I'm showing here. That way it will be neater. Fold it in and stitch it from the inside. But before I do that, I'll remove my normal foot, my zipper foot, and install my normal footer back. I find it easier to use my normal footer to do this. You can also use your zipper foot to do this, but personally I find it easier to use normal foot. So, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Why not? Subscribe, okay? You find helpful tutorials on this channel. I promise, especially if you are a beginner, you need to subscribe to my channel. So you cut it out. I've done that, and we are done, and this is what we have. Can you see how neat it looks? This is what you want to achieve every time you install your zipper, okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.